What up, gang? Today I'm going to show you how you can actually change and edit settings to your songs that have already been uploaded. You ever made that mistake? Like, oh, I didn't mean to. I uploaded the wrong artwork. I messed up. I need to change this, or this needs to change. I'm going to show you how to make those changes in this video. I actually messed this up about 5 days ago, and I was like, oh, I need to figure out how to go back in here and do this because I accidentally uploaded the wrong artwork. The artwork was still fantastic, but we made like 2 slight changes, and I'm a perfectionist. If I'm going to put something out, I need everything perfect or I'll go crazy. So we made 2 very slight changes that you would never even notice on one of my songs' artworks, but I would know. You know what I'm saying? So I had to go in there and change. I had to re-upload. I had to change something about it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go in and you can change these things, like change the artwork or change the release date of a song. Like I need more time to really prepare for marketing this song, so I need to extend the release date. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I think this is a very valuable tool that every artist is really going to need to know at some point, especially if you're releasing music on a regular basis like I am.
Oh my God, it's Rob!
It's important for you to know these things, just in case. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper, and I'm gonna help you get smarter today, right after the intro. I'm Rob Level, a successful music artist that's been rapping for over 10 years. I've been posted everywhere from Complex to TMZ. I've had label deals, charted top 100, written songs for major artists with Grammy winners. On here, I teach you everything I learned in the music business. So as I learn, you get to learn too. This is Smart Rapper. Alright, so I figured this out, and it's really not that complicated. Simplistic once you really think about it. Now you should be able to do this inside of TuneCore as well, inside of CD Baby, should not be an issue. Now if you go to your DistroKid dashboard and you go to My Music, you're gonna see this right here. Now the song that I needed to make a slight change to with the artwork was actually this. It's called Dip and Dash. This is my new single. Whew. Yeah, I got that hustle and maneuver. Now you can see I uploaded it April 8th and the release date is April 22nd. I have another video where I show you how to put the lyrics in here and how to sync the lyrics. Very valuable because you'll be able to use this to gain more fans on Instagram and other platforms. That's another video though, check that out. You can see here what happened. The single was successfully processed and delivered to stores. But look at this. There's an edit release button. Click that. This is going to allow you to make changes to the record label information, the release date. I can even extend this. And then also you could change all the information, and I could change album cover, which I already did. And you can also change the title of the song. Maybe you misspelled it or something. Somebody's like, hey bro, that's not how you spell that. Oh crap, I messed that up. Right, here you go. What's fantastic is you can submit the edit request. In addition to that, if you wanted to remove the song from all the stores, this is how you're gonna be able to do that as well, okay?
What?
What's really cool about this is you're actually able to do this even if the song has already released. But there's one thing that you do need to know.
What we go?
You can only submit 1 review request at a time. So make sure if those are all the changes you want to make, that you make all the changes at the same time. Otherwise, you're gonna have to do them and then wait and then do them and then wait. Not worth it. But that's how you make those changes. I figured this would be a pretty powerful tool for all artists out there. Now, hit me with subscribe and best of luck on all your releases. And I hope all your new singles come out well. You know, it's the year. 2020 is a fantastic year. Get out there, start marketing yourself. Go check out all my other Spotify videos. I actually have a free 21 Spotify strategy guide for you guys. 100% free, absolutely beautiful, well put together. That's yours. Link's gonna be below. And also check out my Spotify Spiker, my dark web secrets, all kinds of stuff. I can help you guys get more streams. I'm gonna give you guys over 2,000 Spotify curated contacts. Click the link below, go check it out, all right? Keep hustling, gang. Hit me with a subscribe. Click those links. I'll see you at the top. Yeah, I got that hustle and maneuver. Talk the trash, I'll be back, but I'll be with my shooter. My fingers scratched, don't want that, I drive by from the Uber.